Morning. Lovely day for it. Lovely day for it. There we go, there's a great shop there. Having lunch. Great shot of the obelisk there. That pole hill. It's like something. I'm being nosy. Jar, God knows what that is. It's beautiful, look at that. Do the edge of the forest. I'm not going to go down in deep into the epic forest yet. I think that'll be for another video. I'm just going to walk along here the end, the edge rather. There's a golf course. Colours. Let's go in. We're going to go into the forest for a bit. Come on then, let's go in there and have a little look. This is the edge here. Epping Forest, the mighty Epping Forest. Lots of oak, ash, birch trees. Like I say, I'm not very good at identifying everything, but those ones you do know are around. There's so many of them. These like ancient mounds here. This is ancient fort here. You can see the inclines actually. Hard to pick up on the camera the actual size. Some lovely colours here, look. So yeah, we're down a ditch now basically in the bottom of an ancient fort hill. Let's walk around. There's a jay. I do like jays. You won't be able to pick up, well, obviously because of zoom, but I do like jays. I like the colours. Excuse me, I like the colours. See, look, this mountain here. Oh, we have some dude. God knows what. Oh, you get a lot of people on mountain bikes and stuff like that. Do get some witchcraft going on here as well, you know. Do get some, or kids just playing. This little smiley face in the forest. I've seen some pentagrams drawn and stuff in the past on the grounds, and there were ancient groves here actually, Druidic groves. We're actually walking through a ancient Druidic grove actually. This is one of them on the back end of Pole Hill. This is actually a ancient Druidic grove, and there are lots of them in the Forest of Epping, and a lot of road names in the surrounding area, like Grove Road. Lots of roads are named Grove Road around here because of that fact that the surrounding Druidic groves, that's where the names originate from. That's a little bit of history side of things. We're going to go back now, back down the bridle path which we just walked up earlier, and stunning. We've got some squirrels sunbathing, and here's the path going back down there, and I'm going to end the video here for organic walk number 2, which was nice. Certainly got my exercise this time, and it was quite a steep hill, but I'm gonna leave it here. Until the next time, see you soon.